Okay, well it's been a while. But anyway, time has come to take the little MT5 apart. Only got a couple of months to get the thing ready, so we best make a start on it really. I've got a small list of things that it needs, but I'm sure we'll find more as it gradually disassembles. So yeah, best start taking her apart. Right. Onward. Okay, so that's about 5 minutes worth of disassembling. No nightmares so far, touch wood. Hopefully I've just jinxed that, haven't I? But yeah, once again, as when we first dragged the thing in, the fuel tank was empty. And I found the contents of it. It's in there. So if I don't know which end this is going to come out of. Oh, there we go. Contents of the fuel and the oil tank. It would explain why it smoked so much when we fired it up. On the plus side, the exhaust isn't going to rot away, is it? Yeah, that's still running. I don't want to tip it over too far in case it starts deciding to come out of this end. We can get this a little bit drained and then we can invert it and just leave it hanging over the tub. Right. I'll keep going. Bring you back in a bit. There we go. One engine. Try not to knock the camera too much. So there we have it. That's the engine out. We're getting there. We'll worry about that later. So we're accumulating a rather large pile of bits, and we've still got the rest to take apart. So let's get on with it. Onward. Okay, so there we go. Honda MT5 in many pieces. First we've got the engine up on the workbench and a nice pile of nuts and bolts and little sorted bits. So, it's come this far down because the frame really does need painting. Look at bits like that because I'm pretty sure it should be a white one, and everywhere something's rubbed on the frame or some fuel's got on it, it's got white paint underneath, so yeah, it can go back to being white. The only thing that was seized on the entire bike was the rear wheel spindle, which, although a pain, I was quite impressed. I thought I was going to have a few other bits I'd have to fight with, but all seems to have come undone nicely. Right, so yes, I shall have to have a bit of a shufty through this lot, see what needs fettling, see what needs binning, see which bits I can get, because you know you don't want to bin something you can't get anymore. And then next time we might have a look at what's inside that engine. I imagine a lot of very stale fuel and mucky oil, but you know, should be okay. Should be okay. Right. Yes. Forgot what I was going to say. Must have been rubbish anyway, so. But yeah, she's in bits. Right, videos may be a bit sporadic for a while. A few things going on. But yeah, when something's going to happen, or is happening, I'll put something up. Right. I'll go through this lot, make a bit of a list, and carry on with my evening, I think. Right. Well, you're still here. Thank you very much for watching, and hopefully catch you next time. Ta-da.